In this video, I'll be showing you how you can link your ArattaI app on a PC, or how you can use the web version of the ArattaI app. It's very much simple and easy. So all you need to do is you hop on this section here. So you can see the hamburger menu there. Just tap on that at the top left corner of your screen. And now you can see link a device. Just tap on that. Good. And now I have it opened on my PC. So I'm going to scan it. So you see here, just like on WhatsApp. So yeah, I'm scanning. And good, the scan is done and it's going to be appearing on my PC now. So that's it on how you link your ArattaI to your PC and then use it just like you do on WhatsApp. It's very, very simple and easy. So now let's come here and now let's move to our settings. Now let's move to devices and you can see, yes, Windows. Now Accra, Ghana has been linked on it. So that's it on how you use the web version of the ArattaI app. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel.